Once upon a time in a small town there was a student named Mia. Every morning her alarm rang at 6:30 a.m., the sound pulling her from dreams of far-off lands. With a quick stretch, she hopped out of bed and started her day. After a swift shower and a breakfast of toast and jam, she grabbed her backpack, making sure her favorite blue notebook was tucked inside. The bus stop was just a short walk away, and as she strolled, she waved to Mr. Thompson, the elderly man who always tended his garden at the corner. Today they were painting landscapes, and Mia loved watching colors blend on her canvas. After lunch, which she enjoyed with her friends under the big oak tree, it was time for math, a subject that sometimes made her head spin. Once school ended, Mia headed to the library for an hour of studying. Surrounded by the smell of old books, she felt at peace, immersing herself in her homework. By 4 p.m. it was time for soccer practice. Running on the field, she felt alive, the sun shining down as her teammates cheered her on. After practice, Mia returned home, where her mom had dinner ready. They chatted about their days, laughter filling the kitchen. Once the dishes were done, Mia settled into her room, revising her notes and doodling in her blue notebook. As the night wound down, she slipped under her covers, dreaming of the adventures tomorrow would bring. With a routine that felt both comforting and exciting, Mia was ready to embrace whatever the next day had in store.